All right, this week we don't have any big projects, so we are going to test Dude's new 32-inch Rockzillas. Boom, boom, boom. We're curious, like it seems like everyone on the Facebook groups is too, because that's every question. Will 32's fit? Will 35's fit? Well, we're gonna try it on Steph's machine. It's got 30s, but we're gonna see if we have any rubs under normal driving conditions, because a lot of people say you need forward A-arms, springs, all kinds of stuff. So since Dude has a fresh set, we don't have any big projects going on right now. We're gonna swap the tires and see what happens. Come on. I don't think I mentioned it yet. So her machine, everything is stock, and the wheels from Dude's are 5+2 offset that we're testing out here.
I'm like walking around like,
Where's your shoes?
they're stuck in my pants.
All right. Yeah, I think we're good to test it.
Oh yeah, I can let her out, you know, no more.
No more.
Yeah.
Baby.
Did it get any closer to anything? That's what I was trying to see.
Oh, I don't. It got a little closer, but I don't think it's gonna rub it. But I mean, I don't know about full compression.
Yes.
I moved the bags off the chair.
Nobody knows about that.
Yeah. Yeah, we don't have obstacles to try it on, so it's just gonna be normal driving conditions for this test. But her future plans for the machine is to run 32's, so figured why not give it a try now. Does it feel the same or sluggisher? More you can feel a little more sluggishness, I meant?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, it's gonna need a clutch kit. That's the thing.
Like,
Yeah, it just feels like it doesn't
right.
grab. You can pipe it if you want. It's up to you. Oh man. Definitely looks a lot better with them 32's, that's for sure. I don't know if you were able to hear it, but in high, it definitely feels sluggish. That RPM pipe sounds so mean. The sluggishness we expected in high because it's stock clutch, so when she gets 32's, we will need a clutch kit. Here she comes again. So Steph has now stolen my radio, which she got to keep, and she stole dude's rims and tires. She's got to give those back. So that's the end of the test for now. Down the line, once her tires are worn, she will be getting a new set of rims and some 32's. And honestly, I know there's all kinds of stuff on the internet you see of must-haves. I think she can run them with just a clutch kit. High gear definitely feels sluggish because it's a trails and rocks. She does have the factory gear reduction, so in low it feels okay. But when she gets the 32's, I think we'll start off with a clutch kit and go from there. I know we didn't get to do it in any harsh terrain where we really have the thing articulating. If it hits anything, it might be the fender flare, so we might have to trim some plastic. But right now, I don't think you need A-arms. I think it'll fit. We're gonna go give dude his rims and tires back, put Steph's stock ones back on, and then I'm gonna show you dude's machine. So we previously did a video with my Pro XP with the RPM Sport Muffler. Well, we took that off my machine. Not because there's anything wrong with it. It's awesome. I love it. But right now we're testing a prototype muffler for RPM that I can't show you yet. But anyways, we put that muffler on dude's machine, and I'm not doing an entire video on it because we already did that. You can go back, watch that if you need in-depth details. But one of the major selling points on this muffler is that you can run it with your factory rear fascia, the back plastics. And I don't run that on my machine, and a lot of people are concerned about being able to run it. Dude runs it, so we're gonna show you some clips of his machine with that muffler on, with the rear fascia, so you can see what it looks like. And it honestly just has a great sound, and it looks factory. Dude, coming in hot. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe and comment on all the videos. We appreciate that, and I'll catch you on the next one.